Well, I'm driving and I know that the sun's going to be in my eyes in a few minutes. And I've been trying to avoid it. I just went to a park because I was going to try to get the sunset, but there's some kind of big family reunion going on. And I didn't have any room to park. So, but the sun looks really beautiful. We'll see it in just a few minutes. Let's see. These houses are all actually almost the same design. If you notice, like ranch-style houses. Oh, the sun isn't in my eyes. God, what a blessing. I thought it was going to be right in my eyes. Okay, so then I'm going to go over a bridge in just a minute. I'll wait for this car. And we'll see what's over there. Do, since you're hanging out with me, is we'll pull into this park up here, right here, and we'll see if we can see the sunset as soon as I get over this hill. Ta-da! Sorry, it's so dark, but the sun's going down, so that's just the way it is. And is there any parking up here? There is parking up here, but I can't really see the sunset. It must be too late to actually get the sunset. Well, here I am at the park. The sun's going down. It's a beautiful day. Thanks for going for a ride with me. I'm going to get out and walk for a few minutes. Love you. Bye-bye.